Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to set up mobile hotspot in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom, then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here go to connections. After that go to mobile hotspot and tethering. And then go to mobile hotspot. Now from here swipe down again and then turn on mobile data from here. And then go back. Now by tapping here you can enable mobile hotspot. Now to enable mobile hotspot, at first you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. Then just tap on turn off. And now you can see in my phone Wi-Fi is disabled and mobile hotspot is enabled. Now if you want to configure your mobile hotspot, just tap here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name. Also from here you can change your mobile hotspot password. You can also change your mobile hotspot frequency. You can choose 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. If I select 5 GHz and then tap on save, now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. You can also use one-time hotspot password from here. And that's it. You have successfully set up mobile hotspot in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.